Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 30th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. BlackRock's Ethereum ETF has hit a remarkable milestone, surpassing $1 billion in value. This achievement underscores the increasing acceptance of Ethereum as a digital asset in traditional finance. BlackRock's success in integrating digital assets into mainstream portfolios is paving the way for more financial products linked to cryptocurrencies. Mango and its affiliates have settled charges with the SEC over the unregistered sale of MNGO tokens, agreeing to pay $700,000 in penalties. This settlement highlights the SEC's ongoing scrutiny of the crypto sector and its insistence that DAOs comply with regulatory requirements. Uniswap has introduced a limit order feature in its web app, allowing users to set desired prices for token trades without constant market monitoring. Additionally, Uniswap X, a new auction-based trading protocol, aims to enhance liquidity and price competitiveness while protecting against minor extractable value. Robinhood and Revolut are reportedly exploring the launch of their own stablecoins amid new European regulatory frameworks. The potential entry of these fintech giants could significantly impact the stablecoin market, currently dominated by Tether's USDT. Austin Campbell discusses the release of Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao and its implications for crypto regulation in the US. He argues that the public nature of blockchain transactions makes crypto appear more problematic than traditional finance, despite similar compliance failures in major banks. The FAT protocol thesis suggests blockchain protocols capture more value than applications, but the FAT app thesis argues that apps are now where most value lies. The author believes recent advancements in blockchain technology enable new app experiences that could lead to the rise of mega apps. Base Mainnet experienced a 17-minute block building outage due to a misconfiguration in the sequencer cluster. The incident highlighted issues with the opconductor system, prompting Base to improve its internal configuration management. Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance, was released from US custody after a 4-month sentence. Despite legal troubles, CZ retains a significant stake in Binance and plans to launch a new venture, Giggle Academy, an educational platform. FTX plans to allocate up to $230 million from government forfeiture proceeds to benefit certain shareholders, a decision that has surprised creditors. The estate argues this will avoid costly litigation, but some creditors feel they were not adequately consulted. Turkey has abandoned plans for a new tax on stock trading and cryptocurrency profits. This decision reflects the government's sensitivity to market conditions and aligns with global trends in evaluating crypto taxation. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency.